everybody, it's me, Red, and I'm gonna annoy this Toad, and well, then I'm gonna show you guys a gun review. Woo! Hey Toad, what? Shut up! Why are you so blue? Don't be depressed. I'm just making you upset. Okay, that's step one. Now, let me get the gun I'm going to review. This puppy right here. Now, let's shoot that Toad. Hey Toad. Yeah, what do you want now? You want to make fun of me again? Gun. So, do you want some of the people on my account dying by gun? Or any other gun? Because I have other guns, and I got my lightsaber, which I'll show on a different Toad. Right back. Okay, here's the lightsaber we're gonna use to kill this next Toad. Hey Toad, what? Lightsaber. Okay, tell me if you want those two items to kill some of the characters in the Red Bird. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.